founder of this channel. And guys, कैसे हैं आप सब? So guys, welcome to another video of my channel. So guys, before starting this video, I'm going to request you, if you guys like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that I'll be very much happy. And when you are subscribing, also hit the bell icon like this, so that you will never miss any further updates related to my channel. So let's get back into our topic. So guys, आप लोग सोचते होंगे that whenever I start my video I say hey guys welcome to hey guys annyeonghaseyo welcome to my channel. So what is this annyeonghaseyo? It is a, अगर आप लोग वो है तो आपको तो पता चल ही गया होगा कि annyeonghaseyo क्या है, मगर अगर आप नहीं जानते तो annyeonghaseyo है वही चीज़. हाँ जी सही है, K drama. It's a K drama. It's not a K drama, it's a K-pop. नाउ मैं स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ आज का वीडियो. एंड वीडियो का जो कंटेंट है, इस कंटेंट में जो मेन चीज़ है वो हम लोग फोकस करेंगे दैट व्हाई इंडियन शुड वॉच के ड्रामा. इस के ड्रामा में ऐसे कैसा खास बात है जो सभी लोग बोल रहे हैं के ड्रामा क्या है, के ड्रामा कौन है. मैं आधे से ज़्यादा गारंटी से कह सकती हूँ कि आप जब आए हो तो इतना ज़रूर मैं आपको श्योरिटी दूंगी कि आपको रिकमेंडेशन के बाद आए हो, या फिर कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होंगे कि ऐसे ही आए हैं कि व्हाट इज़ के ड्रामा जानने. बट आई एम गोना से यू व्हाट आर के ड्रामास एंड व्हाई इंडियन शुड वॉच के ड्रामास फ्रॉम नाउ. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो. सो गाइज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हमारे दिमाग में सबसे पहले हिट करता है दैट इज़ व्हाट आर के ड्रामास. सो के ड्रामास आर बेसिकली द सीरीज और बेसिकली द सीरियल्स that are from Korea or that are from originated from Korea, and the actors, the producers, the writers, the casting will be of Korea only. Means the country will be from Korea, and Korea means not North Korea, it will be of South Korea, and the languages are also
Korean language.
So the next question that comes to our mind is, okay, we know what are K-dramas and our friends are also recommending us to watch K-dramas. Now from where should we watch this so-called K-dramas? So I am answering you, there are a number of websites you could watch from, but the first thing that comes in your mind, first things is that from where do you want to see? Means in which language if you want to see. Means like if you want to see in Hindi, then there are 3 websites, ZEE5 app, MX Player, and there are certain apps. And but if you want to watch in Korean language with English subtitles, then you have a number of apps. But I will recommend you to watch Viki website because it is an app you could easily download from Play Store, and also you could use Google to watch, and obviously the Netflix is the best option for all the kinds of drama. Now the main topic came that why one Indian should watch to K-drama. Why one Indian should move on to the K-drama. So why a person should comes to K-drama, I'm saying. Actually there is a number of reasons why a person should watch K-drama, but I'm literally a fan of K-drama, and K-drama means of a K-drama lover. K-drama is our obsession, it is our everything. We are just in love with the female leads. I'll say that again, but first is why an Indian should watch K-drama. So the first thing comes is cast, because the casting are very beautiful, and the person who is casting are that much means they are so much into their character. Their funny actings and their good actings enhances the most in our way. And basically what happens that when somebody is playing a role, and actually the script is of Korea and it's completely different than that of any other country, because it has its own identity, and the cast are so well, they are so handsome and they are very nice. And that's all for the casting. Means first if you watch the K-dramas, you will just have a look. Means many of you are thinking that why we should watch K-dramas, the guys look like that. Means start watching K-drama, yeah, you will fail in a crush with those guys which you were saying, oh my god, who is he, oh my god, who are they. So yeah, that was the magic of casting. So now let's move on to the second point. So the second thing is script writing. which is very unique and which is very good itself. It has a unique script writing done by the writers. The writers had done a very great job. The storyline, oh my god, first you will be fan of storyline. Means those who watch K dramas na, they are a fan of story writing. Like what a drama, yeah, it's awesome. And what actually script writing, the scripts always focus on the main story. It doesn't goes any other track. Like Indian serials, they have started, like I'm explaining you one thing, that there is some dramas, they are just starting in one route, but then they just lost their track. But no, the script writing has its own way, and it focus only in the main stories. And when the main story is over, the chapter gets over, and it doesn't just twist and turn for taking to a old turn. No, it doesn't happens like that. It just focuses on the main story, and when it is done, it doesn't just doing like that. Not like that, the person who are good, they can't see their badness of their own people, not like that. So the script writing is very well, and one script means one serial script, one serial story writing is very different from another one. So so this is a very must of a thing that we K drama lovers. Number third is the OSTs. So OSTs, oh my god, OSTs are the best. Like OSTs, the full form of OSTs are the original soundtrack. And now why I'm saying it is very useful, when you are very attached with that drama, now with that particular drama, then you will just so much obsessed, and you will just stop listening those Bollywood remix songs and started listening to the OSTs of those series, and you will just fall in love with. Means each and every album, each and every series of K drama has, oh my god, wonderful songs, wonderful OSTs. So when you are started watching, yeah, the K dramas, you will forget watching those Bollywood remake songs. You will start listening to the OSTs. The OSTs sang are very beautiful, and they use both Korean and English words in their lyrics, which makes that unique, just unique. So number 4 is the chemistry. The chemistry between two casts, and not only the main leads but also with the surrounding connections are so well, and the script writing has done in a that way na, that you will fall in love with each and every character. Even if the character is wrong, then still you will have a craze for that character. So that's the magic with the script writing, and that's the magic with the cast, and that's the magic what they have the chemistry with it. Next are the number of less episodes. Means, as I have said, as I have already mentioned, that the script writing always focus on the main story. That's why when the main stories are over now, they just don't just keep on turning the story into, means एक मुसीबत गई नहीं कि दूसरी आ गई. So they don't focus on something like that. Means when the thing over, they just गिव इट, एंड वो लोग ज़्यादा खींचते भी नहीं है सीरियल को. सो इसीलिए हम लोग के पास बहुत ही नंबर ऑफ लेस एपिसोड्स रहते हैं. मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा के ड्रामास के हैज़ ओनली 16 एपिसोड्स, 16 to 20, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 16. मीन्स कैन यू थिंक ओनली 16. It's always provided in your internet. It's very easy to watch. So yeah guys, that was for all the facts. Means I haven't mentioned all the facts. These are only a few that really touches my heart. Now अगर आपने अभी तक के ड्रामा देखना शुरू नहीं किया है तो किस लिए वेट कर रहे हैं? जाइए, अभी जाइए विकी ऐप पे देख लीजिए. अगर आपने मेरे रिकमेंडेशन के चाहिए, मतलब आप कौन सा बिगिनर्स हो गए, कौन सा ड्रामास देखना चाहोगे जिससे आपको के ड्रामा ऑब्सेस्ड फीलिंग आ जाएगा, टेंशन नॉट, मैं दे दूंगी आपको. उसके वीडियो भी आ रही है जल्दी. सो क्या करना है आपको? सब्सक्राइब करना है ना. बेसिकली मैं आपको खुद का एक स्टोरी बताने वाली हूँ. यू नो व्हाट, मेरी माँ पापा, मतलब मेरे घर वाले, बेसिकली क्या होता था, पहले वो इंडियन सीरियल्स देखते थे. मतलब पहले के, वो भी मैं आपको बाद में वीडियो बना के दे दूँगी, दैट हाउ के ड्रामा कम्स इन माई लाइफ, वो भी बाद में मैं आपको दे दूँगी. बट मेरे इस के ड्रामा, इस लॉकडाउन में ना, हम लोग जस्ट वी आर जस्ट ऑब्सेस्ड विथ के ड्रामा, विथ हिंदी, विथ लिरिक्स, with subtitles, with everything. That's all guys. Means one time if you have the craze, if you understand what is going on, you will have a love with this. So yeah guys, that was for today, and if you have liked my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow in my Instagram ID that is given in the link, that is given the ID below. I hope you could see this ID. So that was for today, and let's talk about later, that is बाय. मिलती हूँ मैं आपको अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, एंड आई पोस्ट वीडियो इन एवरी सैटरडे. सो लेट्स मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो until then, take care, bye bye, and annyeong. Annyeong means bye. Bye.